So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Telegram channel is telling you that this channel can't be displayed. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. If you're within Telegram, you know this application has a lot of useful functionality, but it also does a thing where sometimes it can disable your content if it's a sensitive content or if if it discovers that that is sensitive content. So the first thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is to just go through and just double check and make sure that that particular stuff that you're looking at inside of Telegram isn't actually like anything that's sensitive. Because if it is, well, that can probably be the biggest problem that you might be running into here. So try doing that. You want to see if that ends up being the issue. If that doesn't end up working, you might want to try going through and seeing if you can update Telegram. Sometimes you might just have to go through and search up the Telegram application just like this, and then you can go through and click on the update button just like this. And all you're going to have to do here is basically, update the Telegram application. So try doing that. That might be another thing you can try doing as well. And that very well could end up being the thing that ends up fixing it for you too. If that doesn't end up working, you can also try using the Telegram web application. So you can go ahead and make your way over into your particular, web browser, whatever you're using. You can go and type in Telegram or Telegram for the web, and you should be able to find the Telegram application or the online portion this way. And you can go and use Telegram this way as well. And you might want to see if you're able to go and discover or see that content that was missing before. So in terms of that, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.